time I go out for a ride on this little thing, I come back and think, what a great little bike. Just so much fun. Best $1,000 I ever spent. But I have noticed of late that when I'm changing down gears, it's a little harder to get into second and first, so I'm going to have a go at adjusting the clutch. So the procedure sounds pretty simple in the workshop manual. So with a 14mm ring spanner, you loosen off that nut while holding the screw. Okay, I'll loosen that right off a bit. Then turn the screw clockwise 1 full turn. Just make sure that nut's loose enough. Then slowly turn the adjuster counterclockwise until resistance is felt. Okay. Okay, I can just feel resistance there. You're meant to turn it clockwise again, 1/8 of a turn. So I turned it a fair bit, so that was a bit of an adjustment. Now I'll nip that up. Okay, that's meant to be done to 12 Newton meters. I'll just check the clutch operation and give the chainer lube. Okay, so that's in first gear. And now for a fun part, a test ride. Cheers.
All good, I'm happy with that. Cheers.